I recently came across a photo of lips that I really like and decided to try drawing it. Showing the process, first we open Pinterest, select a suitable photo and save it to our iPad. Next, we open Procreate and create a new canvas and rotate canvas horizontally. In the top left corner, we tap on the action icon, select insert photo and place the photo on a clean canvas. We move the image to the left side of the canvas and enlarge it to half of the canvas size. When we reduce the layer's opacity to 60%, go to Canvas, Drawing Guide and set up 2D Guide with a transparency of 60-70%, thickness 60% and grid size of 197 pixels and choose the grid colors to our liking. I have chosen green. We create a new layer above the image layer to activate the drawing assist, which is the straight lines. Select a brush from Procreate standard set, ink bleed or any other sketch brush you prefer. And start drawing. The first line is the upper edge of the lips and second is a lower. We also mark the contour of the upper lip and its lower part, as well as a middle of the lips. We create another layer and with a green color, draw ovals on the upper and lower lip, making their overall shape. After creating the draft with green ink, go to the Layers menu, swipe left and duplicate the layer. On the duplicate layer, with the first draft, we move it to the right side, using guides to accurate placement. We reduce the opacity of the layer of 60% and create a new layer for detailing our sketch with a dark color. When we create a new layer, reducing the opacity of the previous one and being working on the final sketch using the same color and brush. Moving on to coloring the lips, we create a new layer underneath the sketch. I have prepared a palette in advance, which you can download from the link. Using cadence fill brush, we color the lip, careful not to go beyond the contours. When we look the alpha channel or the fill alpha look to add shadows off and light. Then we look the alpha channel or the fill alpha look to add shadows and light. We add shadows using the second color from the palette, paying special attention to the left side of the lower lip and corners and the middle. When we flat the tones, we highlight the lit areas and highlights with a lighter shade and reflections with a pale violet color and the darkness areas. We create a layer for the skin under the lip layer, choose the skin color, fill it, and add shadows for realism. In the mouth area on the skin layer, we fill the open mouth with a dark color, teeth with dark gray, adding shadows and highlights on the teeth. And there you have it, your drawing of the lips is complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. if you enjoyed. See you next time.